What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I have some very special content that's going to show you exactly how I'm making over $10,000 per month with one of the products that I promote. I'm going to show you how I'm doing this. I'm going to show you what product I'm promoting. I'm going to show you the traffic I'm using. I'm going to show you how you can start doing this yourself. Now, I do encourage you to watch these videos all the way to the end, because years ago when I was looking to make money online, I stumbled across a video just like this and other YouTube videos just like this with people teaching stuff. And I educated myself and I started to learn this stuff. And now a few years later, here I am showing you how you can make money online as well. So these videos are here to educate you, to help you learn how to start your own online business as well. So I do encourage you to actually pay attention and watch these videos, because they can actually help you start your own business online. Now, this is actually a video of kind of like part 2 of my last one. So if you haven't seen that, you can go and check that out on my channel. Now, before we jump into this, guys, I do want to just show you the results live, just so you know that this is legitimate. So here you can see $10,000, but that's a picture. So if we go into here, we can actually change this to February and apply. So this is the last 2 months, 21,000. And if we go obviously back to the 1st of March to the 30th, I got one more day left, so I might make a little bit more, $10,000 in earnings. So this is real, okay? These are real results. And I'm showing you that just so you can see what's possible. And this is one of the income streams that I'm making money from online today. And some of you guys might already know that, know the product and stuff. So let's jump into this and I'll show you exactly what this is, how you can get started. And this is like, guys, I'm showing you real stuff that I do in my business, okay? I'm actually doing this myself right now. I'm going to show you everything. So make sure you pay attention and smash that like button so more people can see this type of good quality content, because it is hard to find good quality content like this online. I know, because when I tried to learn how to make money online back in the day, it was very hard to find good content. Now, what I'm doing here, guys, with this method is I'm doing something called affiliate marketing. We'll just touch on that quickly. I send people to a product and I get a commission when someone purchases that product. Okay, so I don't need my own product or anything like that. It's a very simple business model. But you might be asking yourself, what products do I promote? What products do you promote? Well, this is kind of the criteria I look for when I want to promote a product. The product has to be something people need. So a lot of people will promote something that people want, but you want to promote something that people need, because if they need it, the chances of them purchasing that product are a lot higher, because they don't second guess themselves because they need it. A product that pays good commission. You don't want a product that pays you like $2 or $3 per sale. You want something that's going to pay you like 50% or $10, $20, $30, $40 per sale, even $100 per sale. I've even seen some that pay you $500 per sale. And you want to promote something that people are actively looking for. And you'll understand what I mean as we progress through this video. So basically in this video, what I do is basically I find something that people need. Now, every single day there's millions of people starting websites online, and you can actually go and promote web hosting, and you can get paid a commission for that. Let me kind of explain to you what I mean. So this website is called Bluehost. And if someone comes to this website and purchases a product, like a package, you can make money. So if this one, you make $65 per sign up. All you need is one sign up to make $65 per day. You might be asking, how do you make money when they only charge $2.95 a month? Well, they actually charge 3 years in advance. And then most people stay on for years. So that's why they can give you a good amount of money when you refer people to their program. So that's what I do. I send people to a website called Bluehost, where I get a commission every time someone signs up, because everybody online needs to host a website somewhere. Okay, so what I do is I actually send people to a page that collects an email, okay? And what I have is I have a free course on how to create a website or a blog. It's very simple. It took me literally 4 hours to create this free course, okay? And I also have people go to my email list, and I send them emails linking back to the free course. Now, the reason I do this, I get much higher conversions. The reason I do that, and when I mean high conversions, I'm talking a lot higher. So if we go back to here, 571 clicks, and I got $10,000. It's a very, very high. It's like 19 or 20% conversion rate, because I'm actually teaching people how to build a website. Now, how do I make the money? Inside here, I have links that go to Bluehost. So there's a link here, And there's a link here when they click on these particular sections inside the course. If you go in here, you'll see how it works. So they click it and they go to Bluehost and they get a website, and then I get $65. I actually get $125. So the more traffic you send, the more money you can actually make. So although you get $65 when you start, I get $125 now for one sign up. All I need is one a day to make over $100. So that's what I recommend you do. Instead of just sending people straight to a link, well, this is what I do anyway, is collect their emails by creating a funnel or a page. You can do that with something like ClickFunnels or your own website. And then I send them to a free course that I've created on how to create a website or a blog. Very simple. Blog and website, pretty much the same thing, okay? But that's really straightforward. How do you actually get the traffic? This is the most important part. And this is the part that a lot of people struggle with. And I want to cover this because I have kind of like a bit of a beef as well to kind of cover with a lot of people, because I get this a lot and it kind of frustrates me. So basically you create a course, you send them to, and you educate them, and you send them to Bluehost or any sort of website hosting. There's other website hosting platforms that you can promote as well. I just like Bluehost. How do I get my traffic? I use two methods. I use a blog and I use the YouTube, okay? Now, YouTube is going to be the easiest if you're a beginner. Now, this is one of the videos that I posted in 2015, and this link here goes to Bluehost. Okay, I didn't link to my course in this one because I never had a free course back then. Now I do, and I don't actually do much linking now on this channel. I have another smaller channel that I use for this. Okay, so I send people to here. Now, I have a bone to pick with a lot of people, because what a lot of people say to me is, "Oh, Franklin, you have subscribers, so of course you're going to make good money." Well, first of all, I don't really use this channel for these types of videos. Second, this video was done when I only had 12 subscribers. We all start with 0 subscribers, so that's just an excuse to not start. You can't say to me, hey, you have hundreds and thousands of subscribers, of course you're going to make money. Most of the money that I'm making from this is from work I've done a long time ago before I had a lot of subscribers. If you go back to my channel, you see I haven't done a video like this for a very, very long time, because I already get money from the videos that I did a long time ago and some blog posts on my website. So that's something that, like, you can't say that to me, because I had no subscribers once upon a time, and I did this video when I had 12 subscribers. So you know what I mean? Like, you can't really say that. Now, there's 2 ways you can do this, and what I recommend you do is start a website where start a YouTube channel where you don't have your face in it, because I understand like 99% of you will not want to have your face in it. When I did this video, I did not have my face in it. I just talked over the screen. Okay, this guy here, he does heaps of videos. How to create a WordPress website, a website for beginners, Bluehost WordPress tutorial. He does not show his face. Okay.
Bluehost coupon here.
So he does not show his face. The second thing you can do is something like I do, is show your face and stuff and have a little bit of branding. You will get higher conversions, but it's not necessarily needed. Okay, so that's easy. You can go start a YouTube channel. I don't need to show you how to do that. What's more important is understanding YouTube, how it works, and the type of content you need to do. So let me explain to you how that works. What I recommend you would do is just start a YouTube channel based without your face or anything like that, just based around creating a website. You need to understand that you're not just going to make one video and make $100 to $300 a day. It takes time to build this up. Like this guy here has been doing videos for quite some time. This guy here has done quite a few videos. It does take some time to do this. I get sick of people saying, you've got hundreds of thousands of subscribers. I want to make money by tomorrow. It takes time. What's more important is once you have the YouTube channel started is understanding YouTube traffic. The reason YouTube traffic is so good because it has multiple traffic sources. It has heaps of traffic sources that we can utilize, and there's 4 main traffic sources that you need to focus on. Number 1 is search traffic. This is when someone searches for something in YouTube, and make sure you stay to the end because I'm going to show you how to do this properly, and I'm also going to show you some other cool methods at the end of this video. So this is when someone searches for something in YouTube. Now, we then have a method which is called suggested videos. This is when someone's watching another video and your video will get suggested. So as you can see, there's lots of different ways you can get traffic. So for example, if someone's watching a video how to build a website and they see yours and you have a better thumbnail, then they might click on yours instead, and then you will get a commission instead of somebody else. See, he has a link down here probably to something where he gets a commission. Then we have this one here, which is browse features. This is basically recommended on the homepage. So this traffic isn't as related. However, if someone's been going around looking at other videos about how to create a website and they go back to the homepage, YouTube will be like, okay, this person's been looking at videos on how to create a website. We might pop Franklin's up on the homepage because it's related to what he's searching for. Then we have channel page views. Once people start to see you and they start to go to your channel, they will click on your other videos in the channel as well. So that's really important to understand that YouTube is very, very powerful for this type of stuff because you have multiple traffic sources that are very, very powerful. See, I get traffic from all of these traffic sources and it's always changing. Sometimes browsers at the top, sometimes suggested at the top. It just depends. But it's very important to understand how powerful these traffic sources are. And you need to keep at it to get the traffic. Now, I'm going to show you the best way to start getting traffic, okay? Most cases, people will go and do a video and they'll do a video on how to start a website. And that's the title. And they'll be like, I didn't get any views. Well, you're not going to get any views because you're competing against people that have a lot of views. So what you want to do is you want to go and target long tail keywords and how-to keywords. So something like might want to do a video on how to start a website for clothing in 2020. The thing is, this is how I started my channel. This is how I started growing, is you want to do long tail keywords because it's easier to rank your video for those keywords. There's not a lot of competition. How to start a website in 2020 fast. And then you could do how to start a blog in 2020 fast. How to build a website online using WordPress. How to start a blog online using WordPress. And it just keeps going. And if you actually go to YouTube and you put in here, how to start a website, it will give you more things that you can target. So how to start a website and earn money, how to start a website design business, how to start a website from scratch. It tells you what people are searching. It's literally giving you everything you need. The next one I like is to do long tail best keywords. So best website builder for online stores, best way to start a website in 2020, best hosting for websites in 2020. I messed that one up. But this is what people were searching. I've done the research, guys. I know what works. Then we have the next one, which is awesome as well, is Bluehost versus other ones. So basically what happens is people will search online and it takes usually weeks for someone to pull the trigger. So they might go to Bluehost, and they might go to the competitor HostGator or SiteGround or GoDaddy. And if you have a video comparing the two, look, let me just show you real quick. Versus HostGator. There's videos on this, right? Where people are comparing them. All he does is he just goes over both platforms and he just reads out the features. This is probably one of the easiest ways to get started doing this because people are out there looking for the best web hosting platforms out there at the cheapest price and that are the fastest, right? And you see he's already got 5,000 views and he's got links in here as well. Bluehost discount here. If I click on this, it's going to take me to Bluehost. And if I started a website right now, he would get $65 or whatever they're paying him. So it's really, really important to understand that it just builds up and builds up as you go. And he's ranking for these keywords as well. He builds up and builds up as he goes. You have to keep going and it keeps stacking. When I first started, I made like $60 in 1 week, right? And I was like, oh, this is pretty cool. And then I made three $60 sales a month later. And then I made more and I made more. And it stacks and it stacks and it stacks the more content you put out there. But the secret is to go out and do a free course first and collect the emails. Because first of all, you're collecting emails and you're building a base of people that will purchase stuff from you in the future. Like you could give away the free course and then 2 months later, you could do a paid course on how to create a blog. And then you could email these guys and make money, right? But you're going to get way better conversions when you give away a free course. Trust me, I've been in this game for a long time. I've learned all the tricks. If you give away a free course, you're going to make more money. Now, another trick that a lot of people don't actually realize when doing this is website theme reviews. So what a lot of people do is they'll go and find, like this is just another angle that you can hit. They'll go and do reviews of themes for WordPress, which is what you use to create a website. Now, you might be thinking, why would you make a commission from web hosting? Because these people searching this probably already have a website. What a lot of people do is before they buy a website, they will actually go and try and find the best themes online. And if you do a video on the best themes or a tutorial on the themes that they can use, and you have your affiliate link there, and inside that video you say, hey, click on the link below, start your website, you can get commissions that way. It's just another angle that you can hit. If we take this guy here, you'll see, this is him here. He has lots of videos on lots of things to do with websites and web hosting and stuff like that. He has lots of stuff because it builds up. Let's say he had 10 videos that were getting 100 views a day. That's 1,000 views a day. You've got to keep doing content and building it up to make these commissions. And that's how I go out and make to $10,000 per month at the moment. But what I recommend you do is definitely go out and use YouTube. You have multiple traffic sources that you can tap into, and YouTube is insane for converting people into buying offers from you. Now, if you want some more advanced training on this, guys, I do have a course below that you can check out. We go through ClickBank affiliate marketing, Amazon affiliate marketing, search engine optimization, paid traffic, free traffic. We do the Blue hosting stuff, so I actually take you through that step by step. For the Bluehost web hosting stuff. We talk about niche research, websites, funnels, and email marketing. I'll leave a link below if you want to check that out. However, if you would like some free training and some free content, click the videos on the right that will take you through step by step how to start your own affiliate marketing business online. Don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell. If you have any questions, let me know below, guys. I just want to show you this quick case study so you can see what's possible online, and hopefully it helps you in the right direction to making money online. I'll see you in the next video.